Hello guys, welcome to Python coding classes. In today's session we'll discuss about Django, how to create the project 1, the first project in Django. Basically I'm making this video for uh, the class 12 students, those who have Django in their syllabus. So I have considered that they would be deploying or creating the project in the Python IDE 3.7 version. So for that, I will be discussing about the prerequisite and the details. Overview about Django. Django is a web development framework. It is Python based, also open source. It follows the concept of model view and controller, the architectural pattern. What does the term view, controller and model means? See, view helps in representing any information, like we can consider the part of the HTML, whatever we display in HTML to create the web page, that could be considered as a part of view. Controller helps in validating or receiving the input to the model. Whatever input is provided onto the web page, by the help of controller only the input is sent to the model contains essential information about the object, like the class. Model could be considered as a file that will be consisting of a collection of related objects. Now the next thing is about the prerequisites for Django that I had been talking about, and it will be for the first time user only. Will need to install the virtual environment. For the purpose, we'll have to go to the command prompt, type the syntax pip install virtual environment, and in the presence of the active internet connection, the virtual environment will get installed. Next step would be to install Django. Similarly, in the presence of the active internet connection, the command would be pip install Django. After having installed the virtual environment, we will need to move to the particular uh, location where the Python has been installed into your system through the command prompt only, or else if the environment variable has been set in your system, you would not require to move to the particular location. Next one would be the syntax to create the Django project name. The syntax would be Django-admin start project and the name of the project. Next, we would require to move into the project folder name, the project that we have created just now. We would be moving by the help of cd project name, whatever name we have typed. Next one, we would require to start the server by the help of the command python manage.py run server. And once we have started the server, we would require to go to the installed web browser, whatever web browser we are having in our system, and over there will be required to type the syntax localhost colon 8000 in the URL in the address bar. Once we would type this, we would be able to see the install work successfully. Congratulations. So that is the first step towards working on the project creation in Django. The screen would be displayed in this way in front of you. Next one would be again to go to the project folder through the file explorer, and over there you would find url.py. You need to open a particular file and type this following command along with this package. This variable you would be required to type over there. This variable contains what? This is a variable url patterns that contains a list which is returning the URL from the views.home. View would be the another page similar to url.py, and home would be the method over there that would see in the next slide. And another page, another file that you would have over there is views.py. You will have to create this views.py. Either you can copy or paste or you can create a new file, and in the file you will need to write this particular package name and the this is the method we were talking about in the previous page. And in the http response you would need to mention the message whatever you want to display onto the web page, onto the web browser. Once you have finally done all these tasks, in the final step you will require to go to the web browser once again and refresh the page, or you can also press the shortcut key, that is F5, to check the output whatever you want or you had displayed in the previous page. That's all with the Django Project 1 uh, development phase. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Be happy. Stay happy. Bye bye.